Hello, what's up guys? Hope you guys doing well. I'm Dylan, and in this video we are going to learn about how to split screens in Windows 10. Right now I have two windows opened, right? One is the Google Chrome window and other one is the File Explorer window, right? So I need to split this one screen into two. So in one side I can work on the Google Chrome and the other side I can work on the File Explorer at the same time, right? So what you have to do is now I want to drag this Google Chrome window to the left side of the screen, and I want to use the File Explorer in the right side of the screen, right? And first select Google Chrome window, double tap on the top bar of the application window. Okay, now I have selected it, and I'm while selecting, drag it to the left side of the screen and push it to the edge of the screen, right? So you can see an animation, right? So once you see an animation like this, just take your finger out of your trackpad or the mouse click, right? And you will see the Google Chrome window is properly and neatly attached to the left side of the screen, right? And you will get an option like this to the right side of the window. So it will show the windows which are currently opened right now. Now what I need to do is I want File Explorer to be in the right side of the window. Just click on the File Explorer window, then it will be nicely arranged in the right side of the window, right? Okay, this is nicely split screen which you can use two windows at the same time, right? Now what you have to do is let's say I need more space to Google Chrome, I need less space to for the File Explorer. What you have to do is go to the middle of the two splitted views, right? You will you can see a vertical line is appearing. Double tap on it, right? And after you double tap, just don't take your finger out, right? By clicking and by selecting it, you can drag it to the right side or the left side, right? So I need more space to Google Chrome, which is in the left side, so drag it to the right side of the window. Now you can see I got some more space to Google Chrome window, and I got some less space to File Explorer, right? And that's it. Hope you guys learned something new. For more interesting videos like this, just follow my channel, subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and thank you. See you guys in the next video.